In this lesson, we will demonstrate how contributors can use status labels to help communicate clearly across Stylezone. Status labels serve as the quickest indicator of a style's current phase in development and can be seen on all styles across Stylezone. Stylezone has 3 default status labels that can be used within a new site. These 3 default labels are Not Set, Accepted, and Rejected. When a new style is uploaded, it is automatically given the status label Not Set to indicate that no users have made any action to the style for validation purposes yet. This is the only default status label that cannot be changed or removed. All other status labels can be edited, created, and removed by site administrators. The labels that are available to use on your site may be entirely unique to match the workflow of your brand's product development. Note that status labels are also color-coded to help provide clear indicators of the style's progress. Let's navigate to our homepage, the feed, to try using status labels on some example styles. We can see that most of the styles on our homepage are currently labeled as Not Set. If we click on the label, we are shown a drop-down menu containing each of the available status labels according to our brand. This is the quickest way to set the status label for a style. For proper 3D validation, however, let's click into the style to view its style page. We'll want to take a look at each of the image resources to ensure that they look ready for approval, and we can view the additional colorways to make sure they also look correct. On the left side, we can see that there are image resources for each colorway, along with 3D turntables for each. Along the bottom, the 4 additional colorways can be viewed by selecting the thumbnail. When checking a style and its resources, it is important to validate the style according to your brand's VQS to ensure that the 3D approval process matches brand expectations. For our example, we have double-checked that the images look great and all of the colorways are available. Let's go ahead and set the status label to Accepted. Let's navigate back to our feed to look at another style. Before selecting a new style, on the feed, we can see that the label for our women's wrap dress style has been updated and can be seen here. The next style we'll look at will be this pair of men's jeans. We click on the style to view its style page. When opening the style page, we can already see in the view window that the renders for this garment do not look great. By zooming in on the turntable images, we can see that the pieces for the pocket bags are clipping through the garment and cause the renders to look imperfect. Looking at the other colorways, it looks like this issue affected the entire style. In this case, we can mark this style as rejected. As mentioned earlier, be sure to check with your brand's VQS for details on validating 3D garments on your brand's site. With the status label updated, let's head back to the homepage where we can see the updated label has been applied. If we want to view styles that have been assigned a specific status label, we have the option to filter the page by any of our labels. And that is how to use status labels as a quick indicator of a style's progress. For more information, we invite you to visit the Browseware Help Center.